Greetings from Northern California. We're getting ready to celebrate Thanksgiving, America's reskin of the ancient harvest festival that celebrated all over the world. From Korea's Chuseok to Germany's Oktoberfest. This holiday is about gratitude, abundance, and positive sum thinking. But right now, many forces are tearing us apart, driving us to circle the wagons and play zero-sum games. That's why we're building a community where you can imagine a positive sum future alongside innovative builders like you, committed to finding market truth and pouring energy into projects that make the world a better place. And speaking of abundance, our community is anchored by a network of world-class experts, our friends and colleagues who join us here to share their time and wisdom and help us all get smarter together. And last but not least, I'm thankful for you, our viewers and subscribers. Together, we're building a community here that lifts us all up. Now is a great time to take a moment and appreciate the people in your life who bring you joy, fulfillment, and support. Want an extra shot of happiness? Share what you're grateful for in the comments here and feel that warm communal glow of a shared gratitude ritual. Happy Thanksgiving.